How's it, guys? Raj again here, and welcome to another episode of Side Hustle Garage. Was it a bit too much? Okay. Since you guys like Kaita, no? We got a little something here for you guys. I don't know if you saw, we posted these LED strips. No, basically it's like a LED strip with the indicator in it, and we got like a built-in flasher unit. Yeah, you can check. 600 millimeters long. 600 mils? Yeah, 600 mils long. And we're going to be doing a quick video. We're going to be installing this on our Car 3 where the spots are supposed to go. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, cool. So here you go. This is the grills on the MK3. Alright, so basically what we did was, it will show on it, it will say the left and right, like this one says here, right? No, there it says right. So basically how it works is it flashes to the edge, from the box to the edge, right? So what we basically did was we weaved it through the grill here. You guys can see I weaved it through here. No, and the other part that we don't need, literally just duct tape the thing, my bro, because otherwise the light is gonna shine through us part of the strip as well. So yeah. So we're gonna be installing it now and show you the end result. Cool. Oh, en die kiekie, wat het ek nog al gezet, zei. Lekker, zei.
When my head was